All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Decision's been made. Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. The decision has been made to remove this motor and transmission, full swap out. Why? Nothing's wrong, but it's not perfect, right, 40?
Yeah.
Necesito perfecto.
Perfecto.
El bicho mío. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're excited. Me and 40 are here. We're kicking ass. It's currently 8:15 in the morning. Unbuttoned a few things on this machine. I'm up to the axle part. We'll keep you guys posted. We'll talk about more why this motor is being removed. Why? Why? I could have just put wheels on it, 40. I could have just put wheels on the car. Habla con el gente.
Buen día. Que Dios les bendiga. Mira, aquí, ¿qué tú vas a sacar de las puntas?
Sí, sácalo el axle.
Ok.
From here, sácalo el ball joint.
No bota aceite, ¿verdad?
No tiene aceite because
He got it there.
Yeah,
Okay,
you take it out from
okay.
there. Okay, so we drain fluids, ladies and gentlemen. Strip this car as much as I can from the top. Pause. Right now, I am going to struggle a little bit with this ball joint. Why? I removed the fork. So look, it's not going to really take the shock as good. So I've got my work cut out for me because I'm not trying to put those forks back in because they don't bolt to nothing because it needs a strut. So always remember that this needs to be as sturdy as possible to remove this ball joint. It's okay. I'll deal with it. I know how to do it. So tools are here. The parts are here, obviously. Front bumper is off. We just want to work nice and clean. Got my engine cart. I believe it fits, so cross your fingers on that. And we're going to get to it because we got a whole bunch of Downstar bolts that are coming through, a whole bunch of cool parts we have to install. And why risk scratching the engine bay? I'd like to change the clutch. I already ordered one. Huge shout out to Action Clutch. Guys, when you see me install that clutch, I'm trying to sneak a 25% off coupon code just for that vlog. So don't buy a clutch anytime soon, guys. Hear me out. I'm just trying to look out for you. Let me get these axles out of the way because it's a nightmare to record, especially with 40. He's not really too savvy with that. Let me get these axles out of the way and let's continue dropping this perfect setup. Perfect setup. Oh, look at that, guys. How can we give a car away like this? Okay, so we're gonna get fresh boots.
Ladrón.
Ladrón, big ladrón, big ladrón. We're gonna get fresh boots on both sides because I think there's a leak here too. Got lucky with the ball joints. Had to hit them a few times, but let me keep removing these axles. But then again, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Can't give away a car like that. No way. Okay, we got this baby stripped from underneath here. So traction bar is off, right, guys? Axles are obviously off. Have to take off one ground for the harness. Have to take off the half shaft, see if the cart fits. But I've got this stuff here. I think I'm just gonna order a brand new traction bar. I'll sell this one, get those axles serviced, because everything's gonna look so clean and nice. Fresh axles and then, you know, kind of beat up traction bars. I mean, they worked great. It's just, they don't look new. I want new stuff on this car. So, okay. Got one ground to deal with there. Disconnect the V-band and basically loosen up the motor mounts. And me and 40 are ready to drop this motor. I mean, look what time we started. It said 8:15, right? We're kicking ass. Taking names. That ground chassis is off. Loosened up the V-band here. That's done. So we'll be able to, okay. That's gonna need a little TLC. Okay, that V-band is loose. My wide band is off. I think I have to move on to the half shaft. I should just remove this motor mount first, the rear one. Is it better to take it? Yeah, I should take off this motor mount because when I move this motor forward, I don't want it to hit anything. So that's my next task, guys. I'm gonna take off this bolt here for the cart. Take off my half shaft bolts next. Hit that with a rubber mallet, that's gonna come loose. And 40 is working on that rusted 11 that we have to remove from that first V-band bolt. So I'm getting to it. Me and Boss Dawn 40 are working. We got my boy Hector knocking. Okay, a little bit of a struggle with that back motor mount, but got it done. Definitely cleaner, gonna be much safer. This motor is ready to come out. Gonna leave the harness inside the car. Yo, you fucking?
Huh?
You fucking?
No.
You sure? Because you sound like you just finished fucking, son.
Looky.
Oh, yeah, I told him watch his watch.
Okay.
He almost scratched it. Look, you got,
Okay.
got the Allen Iverson sleeve. Ahora, Okay. 2 bolts here, well, 3 bolts here. Remove this motor mount. Remove the transmission motor mount, and this motor should literally drop right out. Now, I'm thinking, yeah, I'll leave that hose on there. There's no reason to struggle in here and potentially scratch something. I could leave that hose on and then take it off while it's on the cart. So hopefully, let's see if this cart fits. Should be back in a jiffy. Tato bien for the win. Bolted right up, guys. I just got to put a 17 on that side. I got my 17 held here, my 14 held here. That's perfect. Gonna drop the car. I bent this one. I don't know how I bent it, but I bent it. Gonna drop the car onto the wheels, release the motor mounts, and then just raise the car right up. But I'm hoping that there's thread, because sometimes there's no thread here on this section of the block. So I'm gonna have to lower the car and see if I can find a thread. But if not, we're looking good. We're about 6 bolts away from dropping this engine. Okay, that's done. Motor's moving. Unlock this side. Hell yeah. 40 went to get coffee. See if I could drop it. Nah, I was gonna say, let me see if I could drop it. All right, so it is LSD. That's great. Got a lot to do with this transmission, cleaning it up. Also, we got a lot of suspension stuff to take care of. I want you to find all the flaws now, guys. I'm gonna fix them. Gonna fix them all. So get that basically to touch the ground. Release the motor mounts one by one, remove the motor mounts, and then just simply raise the car up nice and carefully. Looks like I missed the ground over there, so I'll give this car a nice little once over. And yeah, we should be out of there. How's everyone doing? You enjoying the vlog? You miss 40? I love vlogging with you guys. I love it. You guys are awesome. Great support. I get more love than negativity in the comments. I love it. So this is connected to the block. I'll just remove it from this here. Motor mount. Motor mount. And while the motor's out, clean up around. We got our bolts on the way from Downstar. Oh, real quick, guys. Let's take this time while 40 gets his coffee. So I was on a live, and they're like, yeah, man, I can't wait to see the detail that you do to the car. Can't wait for the Downstar stuff to show up, so on and so forth. Love the interaction. I said, you know what, guys? It's going to kind of suck trying to put that beautiful post mount on, trying to add all this detail with the engine inside the engine bay. I said, how about I take it out, take my time, remove the transmission, double check the transmission, change the clutch kit, put more new parts on it, add more details, so we don't have to go back to that later on down the road, right? Or the new owner basically is, I'm not going to leave him with much to do, but he's going to have something to do. So that's how it came about. I asked for the blessings. People said, yeah, go ahead. Do your thing, bro. Do it once, do it right. So if you're wondering like how long the giveaway is going to be, it's basically till this car is 100%. And I'm going to say probably about maybe 2 more weeks. We'll get it right. We'll take our time. We'll set a date. We'll get it dynoed. We'll drive it around. Might have a car meet or something so people can see it. And then go from there. But for the most part, yeah, rushing this beautiful machine is going to backfire on the winner. And then I don't want to get bashed for giving away bad cars. I give away the best cars in the world. They're still running. Some of them are 3 and 4 years old, still gunning. So let me take care of some stuff now so that when 40 gets here, he's just controlling the lift. and we'll have this motor out. Dale.
¿Cómo?
Dale. Espérate.
¿Ichi?
Dale. Espérate. Jesus Christ. I forgot he can't really hear too. Espérate, nena. Espérate, dale.
¿Yeah?
Sube. Okay. Dale. Todo. We didn't scratch a single thing, guys. Nice and easy. Now I can clean up that engine bay. I can clean up this motor. I can add the details. And we go from there. But motor's out. Get to put a fresh clutch in there. Hell yeah, baby. Clean all this nasty. Yeah. Not a single scratch, boys and girls. That's it. We did it. Good job, 40. Gonna clean up some of those bolts that we dropped. I dropped one or two. Hopefully we can get some water going and wash this floor because, man, it feels like, yeah, since 17. Man, I'm proud of this moment right now because when it goes back in, it's not gonna look nothing like this. Yeah, give or take, we got this motor out. I don't know, about 45 minutes. We've been chilling here, put all the tools back, cleaned up. The water's gonna turn on soon. We'll wash this floor. But man, it's gonna be much easier to work on this thing like this. You know, I'm gonna move that ground around. I'm gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna remove that post mount. We're gonna change the valve cover, do everything now so that when we put this motor inside, there's really nothing to do but button up the harness. Now, if I wanted to start changing all of this nasty stuff on the side, I'm pretty sure I would have ran into some issues to where I scratched that wall up there. So this was the smarter decision. I'm gonna change this AC power steering delete kit. I wanna clean this part up here. But yeah, we got a low mileage Z3 engine in here that he drove for 2 years. Thing's pretty clean. Gonna change all the hardware on here. It has absolutely no leaks, motor and transmission. Gonna take the transmission out, double check it, maybe send it up to Cerruti, have him open it up and check all the gears. While that's happening, I'll be able to change the clutch kit, put a fresh flywheel, a fresh disc, and a fresh pressure plate, new bearing, and go from there. I got to sneak it out without having to thread this in because it sits on this wall here. So I didn't want to be a superhero. I just tightened the back two up, and it came right out, as you could see. But definitely going to brush and clean all of that tomorrow. I'm pretty much done for today, guys. I work smooth. I accomplished my goal of getting this motor out. Big shout out to 40. Saw him in the corner. I said, hey, you want to work today? Let's kick some ass. He said, yo, I'll follow you right now on the bike. So the next thing to do is move this motor to the back over there, start cleaning up, wash this floor, and then we'll see what's next for us here. But yeah, man. Measure twice, cut once. Tell you guys all the time about having a clean shop, man. You know, you start to truck this stuff around, but I got some degreaser on the floor that my brother Will blessed me with. This stuff works really good. I think he said they sell it in Walmart or something. But this stuff is really strong. I kind of needed something really strong because I got a little bit of oil mixed up with antifreeze in here. And I don't want to keep spreading that around the garage. So, I don't think I need to tell you how to clean a floor, but if you go into like W's, you'll catch every spot. Just do a bunch of W's. But I have to have a clean shop, man. I pride myself on it. I get compliments maybe 8-10 times a day from people that walk by, because it's very important to have a cleansy place. Because now, if the floor looks this way, what do you think the cars are going to look? He said I didn't do it right. Okay. Forty, watch it. No oil, guys. That's it. Good money. No oil, no antifreeze. Wash the rest of the sidewalk and be done. Yeah, now we just squeegee the water out just to help the drying process a little quicker. Again, guys, the garage temperatures here are terrible. I'm so grateful we were able to turn the water on. I honestly get to flush the toilet too. But yeah, I'm gonna grab the other squeegee, catch the corners, and then we're all cleaned up, right? We've got a great environment to work in, nice and neat. Start organizing a little bit better. But yeah, what a great morning already. My day's almost done, guys. 9:30, edit this vlog. I gotta go help my brother move a refrigerator. They need the truck, but hell yeah, man, ambitious. Hustler mentality, bro. Killer be killed, bro. Put a little air in there. Go for where the squeegee didn't fit. That's it, baby. We working. What did you guys think about this vlog? Straight to the point. Got the motor out, right? Removed the bumper, got the axles out the way. We have plenty of things to add on to the list to do to this machine before we give it away. Again, if you'd like to join, in the description is a link to the giveaway. You get an awesome pin that I haven't gotten one negative review about. People feel the excitement. People are ecstatic to see this car complete. And I'm happy to be vlogging again. Me and 40 are almost out of here. We're done for the day. It's 9:30 in the morning. I could still go take care of some other stuff. But want to thank you guys for all the support throughout all the vlogs. I know you guys missed 40. I told them that we've got plenty of work to take care of. And yeah, man, join one of the greatest giveaways you'll ever see, guys. I ain't gonna do these cars any much longer, man. So whatever you win from me, I hope you appreciate it. 40, you want to say bye?
Yeah, see you tomorrow.